chào tất cả các bạn. Hôm nay là mùng 2 tháng 9. Bọn tớ đang đi ra ngoài sân cuồn Sapa. Thì tối nay dành hết cả thời gian cho buổi tối ngày hôm nay đi chơi rồi. Nào.
Hello. How are you?
Bây giờ là bọn tớ đang đi xuống. Sapa đang rất là náo nhiệt và rất là vui đây. Ở đây có rất là nhiều trò chơi nhá. Nếu mà các bạn đến đây thì các bạn sẽ được chơi rất là nhiều trò chơi luôn.
Bằng những cái ôm rất là chiều mến và đến từ các du khách nước ngoài. Phải nói rằng là không chỉ với bạn Sapa nói riêng cũng như là tất cả nhất con người Việt Nam chúng ta.
Bên này là cái gì nhỉ?
Rất là mến khách, cho nên rằng là khách du lịch
bên này là chơi gì nhỉ?
Đặc biệt Sapa cũng là một
đây là đồ ăn, đồ uống này.
Thu hút rất nhiều các khách du lịch quốc tế đến với Sapa và trải nghiệm những nét phong tục.
Những ngày bình thường là ở đây không bán đồ ăn đâu, nhưng mà hôm nay là ngày 2 tháng 9 nên mọi người ở đây họ tách riêng một bên đây để làm đồ ăn.
Đang chờ tất cả quý vị chúng ta ở phía bên ngoài của sân khấu. Xin mời tất cả anh em chúng ta
rất là hoang trang, rất là đẹp.
Đây là áo phố đấy mà.
Mr. Su,
Hello.
how do you feel today?
I feel a little bit tired but happy.
Where do you go today? What do you do today?
Today our sale, so we go to enjoy some view. We go to enjoy the life in the market.
Oh, so how do you see in here?
Here, I think very busy and too many people that come here to sell some their products, or they go to here with girlfriend, boyfriend. They go to around the town. Some are very beautiful and everything very. I'm very happy tonight.
Okay, so we're ready. Now we will go to down to the muaj street. So in here there are many warm ethnic minority will sell something very nice. Oh yeah, you can see many people they sell something to the customer. Wow. Rất là nhiều người bán đồ luôn. Túi đeo tay này.
Ơi, kia rút tiền.
Có tiền không?
Tiền là mua đồ đi.
Còn trước kia giúp một đống giấy ra là luôn em. Children selling something. Now about 7:30, so not so many crowds come here. Maybe around the 8 or 9:30. So many people they come here to want to learn. I want to buy something from to the woman ethnic minority. Oh, her so beautiful. Oh. Here from the Hmong flower. So her go with her mother go to the Sapa town to sell something. Help her mother. So many the children ethnic minority. Flower among two. Yes, a beautiful. Maybe I think.
They're so beautiful, but I don't realize it like here because they make many children. They're very small to make money for the parents, so it's not very good.
Yeah. So I think so. I really like it too. But I want to say they are very strong to kids to something. So little bit not so good, but it's I think it's okay because when you're younger, you can go to outside to meet the many people and you can enjoy the so you will grow up. I think really nice.
Chán nhỉ. Có ai không? Rủ đi chơi đi.
Em dở.
Em giờ làm việc rồi, đang bận rồi, em gọi rồi.
No, but
Nó hùa này bận thế này là phụ cận nhiều như đấy. 잠좀 줘봐 없어.
Mr. Su. Zig way. Oh, zig way better. Wow. What are they doing? They want to take a picture. Su, do you want to take some picture with her?
maybe later.
Later? Okay. If you want to try take a picture, you can do that. Okay? Okay. You can take a picture with her, so you can give her some money, like 1,000 dong or 2,000. It's okay. Okay. You want to give her some money, right? Okay.
You need to give some money.
I say you can eat
Little 10,000 pocket.
1 or 2,000. I think it's okay. Or you want to buy something for her? You can choose. Wow.
You should choose
How
something for her.
about something so cute?
Yeah, and you can buy.
I don't like to buy.
You don't like to buy?
Oh,
Okay, so we are to continue. I think it's okay. Wow, today a very special day now in the Vietnam 2 September one day very special from to Vietnamese culture. What they do? Chúng ta đi chơi. Wow. Wow. Nice. What's that? What's that?
Đó 50.000 đó, 50.000.
Nice.
Hay là các chữ lên đây.
What's that?
Vẫn là cho vào đây mà đúng không? Cái đấy vẫn cho vào đây như này đúng không?
Anh chị lấy cái gì ạ?
Anh lấy cái màu này.
Cái này sáng đẹp hơn.
đây hạt gạo các tên anh ơi. Các tên hạt gạo thì các chị
Đi
không
sẵn
thôi.
sệt ạ.
So it's okay. Wow. And the food very nice. Wow, if you want to you can try. This restaurant is very food special. Where is they? I want to go with them. So maybe okay. So a little bit difficult to go because tonight the space rest of many people they want come here to visit Sapa. And you know in Sapa we have a lot of people around Sapa town and around the world. Many people they got to come here to visit Sapa and they want to know and want to learn something about from to the ethnic minority culture. Wow, that's so cute. So, what are you doing? You're dancing? Yeah, so nice.
Hàng bay mua đặt.
good. Do you want to sell something for the okay, elephant or something? Wow. Wait me, Mr. Su. Wait me. Wow. Wait. Okay. Where do you go, ma'am? Wait, please. Where do you, I don't know where do he go. So okay, we can go. We can wait here.
You want to buy something?
No, I want to buy her, but I don't have money enough. What? You're doing it? Alright, so we will going to continue. So, Mr. Su, so when you come here, you look many the people here. What do you feel and what do you know?
I shy.
Now the
You
come
shy.
back, okay?
Why? So okay, maybe today there are many people, so you don't want to say something. Maybe she's very shy. Okay, right? Good. So here go Mr. Su. This inside me, Mr. Su. Beside me, Mr. Su. You can know my. I have two friends, the Su.
Today we have a camp. We will go to out. We will go to Sapa.
So
But today very busy.
busy, yeah. What do you feel today? Is it good or not good?
Today I feel the weather very cool and very good for to walking around Sapa.
Yeah.
Yes,
Wow.
I like that.
Yeah, I really like to. So today I come here. I meet many the people that from the abroad, from the United States, or from to America. I can meet many people. So before the 1 month, 2 months ago, I just stay in my room. I to work in the office. I don't know the people. I don't meet some people. So today is very special day. So I'm very happy today. I'm feeling very good.
Today the weather very light, very good for to walking,
Yeah.
or to go out.
Yeah.
But today very sad because don't have some girl
Yeah.
together.
Yeah. Sue, why you don't call for your girlfriend go with you today? I think really nice.
Because
Why?
my friend very far and
Oh.
she cannot to